ExactFlat for Rhino.
The Convex Combination Map is a pre-flattening tool for generating an initial unoptimized flat pattern. The tool can only be used in an ExactFlat environment after the flatten command has been used to flatten a mesh. It works by first generating a planar boundary loop, then flattening the mesh by placing all pattern triangles within the boundary loop. Initial works well on pieces with fewer than 2,000 vertices. Minimal works well for low-strain, well-formed pieces with minimal flip triangles, or folds and wrinkles. Round works well on pieces in the shape of a disc. Remember that this is an unoptimized pattern piece that should be optimized with the spring command.